Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing a Sony ECM B10 and you're actually listening to the sound quality of it right now in super directional mode. So we'll see how that actually sounds as we unbox this. This is actually the first time actually using it straight out the box, and the instructions are always going to be there clearly to see. The focus is very clean and crisp on the new Sony A7c. But yes, but I don't see the things. Yes, this is definitely a pretty good mic. It has 3 different pickup patterns, and right now it's in super directional. So it's literally a shotgun mic. It only has 4 capsules. The AC is blasting in the back, but let's see how it fares with this super directional design. And of course, we also have the little furry guy that comes out of every microphone that Sony offers. Very nice quality. But let's see if this stock market rally is more than just a dead cat.